morning everyone. My name is KRITHVIK and I am from grade 2 Cornwall. Today I am going to talk about terrace gardening and organic farming. What is a terrace garden? Terrace garden, which is also called as roof garden, where vegetables, fruits and flowers can be grown on terraces. Kitchen garden, a standard in every Indian household, has now been shifted to the roof due to constraint of space, increasing pressure on land and high cost. Hence, people prefer to have a terrace garden. Let's see more details about the terrace garden. Terrace garden can be created on almost all kinds of buildings, such as apartments, individual houses, commercial hubs, and even factories. Simple waterproofing on the roof is enough to start a terrace garden. What is organic farming? Farming done using fertilizers of organic origins is known as organic farming. How to do organic farming? Take a simple pot or better, recycle any of your old containers. Mix compost, soil, coir peat and vermicompost in equal quantities. These are fertilizers of organic origins. Cover the drainage hole at the bottom of the container with a flat stone and fill it up with the mixture. Pour water and check no soil has discharged to the bottom. Wet the soil and plant your seed or sapling and watch the greens grow. What can we plant in a terrace garden? Start with something that is used in everyday cooking like coriander, mint, tomato, and chili. Once you gain confidence, almost all fruits, vegetables, and flowers can be grown. Do you need agriculture knowledge to start a terrace garden? No, you need enthusiasm for green living and willingness to get your hands dirty. Let's see what are the advantages of a terrace garden. Convenience of safe, chemical-free, fresh, healthy fruits and vegetables. It increases amount of oxygen in the air. It decreases indoor temperature by 68 degrees. So friends, let us invest some time, money and interest of being close to nature. And have a healthy and happy life. Go green. Go green. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Well done, KRITHVIK.
Thank you, ma'am.